Chef D here for our good friends from Hormel and Ultra Natural Shrimp. We're gonna make shrimp ravioli in a sun-dried tomato and onion sauce. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of white wine, cream, and of course mascarpone cheese. Are you ready to get started? I'm ready to get started. So we're gonna get this nice and hot. And then we're going to also get our shrimp and bacon going. We're here at my good friend's Goldman's. I love this place. Induction, if you haven't checked out Induction, that's a whole other story, but I think you should. This is our filling. So we're gonna add in our bacon. We have red onion, finely chopped, and we're gonna add a tablespoon of onion. Roasted peppers, we have 2 tablespoons. We'll warm that up, and then we'll add our shrimp. Our butter's melting. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our onions, our sun-dried tomatoes. Now we use the non-oiled tomato, because that's why we add the butter. And when the onions become translucent, that's when we're gonna add our white wine and our cream. Now we're adding 35% cream, and the reason why we're adding 35% cream or whipping cream is that it's not gonna split. And if you have anything less than that, it will split and kind of look like scrambled eggs, and you really don't want it in this recipe. Our bacon is starting to smell amazing with our peppers and onions. Ultra natural shrimp, no preservatives in it. It's fantastic. And here, we can buy it at Sobeys. Check them out. And we're gonna turn this right down and off. You can see that our onions are becoming translucent. Our tomatoes are warmed up. Adding a little bit of white wine. If you're keeping track, it's probably about a 1/4 cup. I have about a cup of 35% cream. We're gonna bring that up to a boil, and then we're gonna add in our mascarpone cheese. As you can see, our cream sauce is reducing down. We brought it up to a boil. Now we're gonna add in about 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese. Stir it in till it's all melted. I'm gonna turn my heat down to about medium. And now we're gonna stuff some ravioli. So our water's coming up to a boil. We've cooked off our shrimp and our bacon and of course roasted peppers. Now I have some ravioli here. We've done this before. You can check out our Instagram. You can check out our YouTube page. We've done and shown you how to make some fresh pasta. It's not as hard as you think. Go back and check it out. You're gonna love it. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of egg. I'm just gonna spread it on all over. So we're gonna take a little bit of our filling, middle of our ravioli, take the top. So our ravioli's done. Now, if you wanted to, you could just lightly dust it with some flour, take the tray, put it in your freezer, and you can freeze it, and then come back to it. So this is a recipe that you can do now or do it later. So then our water's boiling. I've salted our water with probably 2 tablespoons of Himalayan pink salt or regular salt. So in our ravioli goes. And the great thing about this, it won't take long. It's gonna take probably a minute in real time. So we're gonna take our ravioli out. Can take the water off. So our sauce is nice and thick. I'm gonna turn it down and off. And then we're gonna take our sauce, spoon it on. If you have not already, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Chef D TV, for these recipes and a whole lot more. So good, so tasty, so easy.